Today is Friday, August 11th. I'm at Edaleen Dairy eating root beer soft serve.
And that's 3 minutes gone.
It's Saturday, August 12th. I'm here at Edaleen Dairy eating orange soft serve. Today is Sunday, August 13th, and I'm enjoying a vanilla cone in front of Edaleen Dairy. Now, every time we cross the line, Ed and Eileen's dairy store is the go-to place for ice cream. We love all of their dairy products, but in particular, their ice cream is cheap and absolutely delicious. I missed yesterday. We were at the fair where I was eating a mooich. Moo. Today is Tuesday, August 15th, and I'm eating a maple nut at Edaleen Dairy. Today is Wednesday, August 16th. I'm at Edaleen Dairy enjoying a rocky road. Today is Thursday, August 17th. I'm at Edaleen Dairy eating cappuccino chip. It is Thursday, August 17th, round 2. I'm in front of Edaleen Dairy enjoying some fudgy wudgy. It's still Thursday, August 17th. I'm at Edaleen Dairy eating a coconut almond bliss. Now, Edaleen Dairy started off with 75 Holstein cows, and then they got into processing their own milk. They're up to about 1,600 cows now, so they control the whole process from cow all the way through to the end flavor of the ice cream. Today is Friday, August 18th. I'm at Edaleen Dairy eating peppermint soft serve. Today is Saturday, August 19th. We're at Edaleen Dairy enjoying a peanut butter cup sundae.
I would have laughed if you just would have.
So if you eat ice cream here for 10 days straight, you will go from satisfied cow to satisfied COWstumer. I'm Skinny, and that is 3 minutes gone.
And that's 3 minutes gone.